Tonight, we're cooking a meal that's as impressive as it is easy. Pan-fried salmon with crispy skin, creamy mashed potatoes, and roasted veggies. It's a dish that's perfect for a weeknight dinner but fancy enough for a special occasion. The best part? You can do it. With a few simple steps, you'll be amazed at the delicious results. Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's gather our ingredients. For the salmon, you'll need fresh salmon fillets, salt, pepper, and olive oil. For the mashed potatoes, grab some potatoes, butter, milk, salt, and pepper. And finally, for the roasted veggies, you'll need your favorite vegetables, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Don't be afraid to get creative with your veggie choices. First, we'll tackle the mashed potatoes. Peel and boil the potatoes until tender. Drain them well and add butter, milk, salt, and pepper. Mash everything together until smooth and creamy. Set them aside and let's move on to the veggies. Preheat your oven. Toss your chosen vegetables with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Spread them out on a baking sheet and roast until tender and slightly caramelized. Now, for the star of the show, the salmon. Pat the salmon fillets dry with paper towels. This helps achieve that crispy skin we all love. Season them generously with salt and pepper. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Place the salmon fillets skin side down in the hot pan. Cook for a few minutes until the skin is crispy and golden brown. Flip and cook for a couple more minutes until the salmon is cooked through. Section 4, the perfect plate. Now it's time to plate our masterpiece. Spoon a generous serving of mashed potatoes onto each plate. Top with a crispy skinned salmon fillet. Arrange the roasted veggies alongside the salmon. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprig of fresh herbs. Section 5. Enjoy! There you have it, a restaurant-quality meal made easy in your own kitchen. This dish is perfect for a special occasion, a family dinner, or even a simple weeknight treat. The best part? It's incredibly versatile. Feel free to switch up the veggies, try different herbs, or even add a squeeze of lemon for a burst of freshness. Enjoy!